Most people save money blindly, but millionaires don't. They combine strategic saving with smart investing to multiply their wealth, and today I'll show you how. Step 1 is always safety. Millionaires maintain an emergency fund, usually 6 to 12 months of expenses, so they can invest boldly without risking financial disaster. They don't put all money in one basket. Typical allocation might be 30% cash, 50% diversified portfolio, 20% high-risk opportunities. This balance maximizes growth while controlling risk. Millionaires use compound interest to their advantage. Regularly saving and investing, even small amounts, can snowball into massive wealth over years, thanks to smart asset growth. Liquidity is key. By keeping some cash ready, millionaires can seize market dips, startup opportunities, or undervalued assets, turning volatility into profit. Finally, strategy isn't enough without discipline. Millionaires stick to a plan, track progress, and adjust without letting emotions derail their saving or investing decisions. Strategic saving plus smart investing is the formula for multiplying wealth. Which step will you start with today? Comment below and subscribe to WealthWise Media for more wealth-building strategies you can actually use.